Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can copy Discord profile link on mobile. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search for the Discord. Okay, so once you are on your Discord profile, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner. Okay, once you are here, you simply need to scroll down. Here you need to click on advanced and you simply need to turn on the developer mode. As you can see that it is turned on. Then you simply need to go back and open any server. So I'm going to select this one where I send message. Click on your name. Here you can see three dots. Click on that. Here you can see copy username, copy user ID. You simply need to copy user ID. Then you need to go back and you can share that with your friends on WhatsApp, Instagram. So it is up to you. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.